Currently, there are 21 billion connected devices in the world. We expect this number to triple by 2025. All these smart devices will require better and faster coverage to keep communication efficient. To meet this demand, wireless carriers are continuing to invest in 4G long-term evolution, or LTE networks, and sunsetting existing older 2G and 3G networks, specifically CDMA and GSM networks. US carriers have already begun to repurpose these networks. How will the sunsetting process occur? Overlapping cell site coverage will be removed. Channel capacity per cell site will be reduced. Eventually, this will be reduced to a single channel per cell site. Capacity will be migrated to 4G LTE as well as 5G. CapEx will be reduced to maintenance levels. Coverage may appear static, but capacity will be reduced. The reliability of older networks and the devices that use them will start to degrade. Just like driving on an abandoned road, at first you might still be able to access it, but over time the lack of maintenance and repair will make it impossible to use. If your fleet is currently using any 2G or 3G equipment, you will experience coverage degradation before these networks are fully shut down. Fleets must be proactive and begin to upgrade their legacy hardware to LTE-powered equipment. Discuss your hardware options with your fleet mobility provider so you can use this upgrade to your advantage. When you discuss upgrading, it's crucial you ask your provider the following questions. What is the most advanced network currently available through your solutions? Do your devices provide a seamless experience across North America? Do you provide a fully managed and monitored solution? Do you offer integrations to critical back-office systems and platforms? Do you enable continuous hardware upgrades to stay on top of technological advancements? Are you engaged with wireless carriers to evolve solutions for the latest network improvements? Trimble remains committed to our customers' needs. We stay connected to market changes so we can anticipate these network sunsets before they occur. We began offering 4G LTE connected devices in 2017. These devices offer a wide range of in-cab display and vehicle gateway options to enable customized solutions for fleet-specific needs. We will continue to work with customers on upgrading so they can experience the benefits of LTE. The benefits of LTE include increased bandwidth. LTE networks are capable of transferring data 10 times faster than older CDMA and GSM networks, leading to faster logins and a more effective way to distribute large files like training videos across a driver base. Improved coverage areas. LTE provides coverage in geographical areas that 2G and 3G networks never served. In a pre-LTE world, rural-based fleets' only options for connectivity was satellite-based systems. Sustainable connectivity. Wireless carriers are making a significant investment in LTE coverage to ensure the longevity of these networks through 2030. By moving your fleet to LTE today, you are also investing in coverage for your drivers and vehicles that's built to last. "5G is going to be a game changer in the industry once it's implemented." What's driving the push to 5G? Extreme reliability with planned near universal coverage, high-speed mobile broadband that supports surging traffic and low-power Internet of Things devices, higher data rates, low latency, and full throughput, supports high-demand applications like video, virtual reality, autonomous and connected vehicles. While it's unlikely we'll see 5G adopted across the transportation industry for several years, 2G and 3G sunsets will occur prior to 5G being viable. Don't wait for 5G to start upgrading. Wireless carriers are repurposing older 2G and 3G networks to support 4G LTE connectivity. fleets using older in-cab equipment that connects to 2G and 3G networks will soon see their coverage degrade and eventually disappear. Upgrading to LTE-powered equipment can help you avoid these issues and experience the benefits of improved connectivity. Eventually, 5G coverage will be a game changer in the industry, but not right away. Contact Trimble Transportation today to learn more about how to prepare your fleet for 2G and 3G network sunsets.